Hi, it's Lily Amanda. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print file names inside folders so you can see straight away where is your files. I have several external drives and some are backup drives. And it can be confusing for me to see where are my files. And I have 3 methods I'm going to show you. The first 2 are free. You can do it inside your Mac. And the third one, you will download an app. You can choose whatever method you like. And I do prefer the paid version. Okay? But the good news is the paid app have 30-day trial. So you can just go ahead, download it, and try it out yourself. So the first method, for example, if I want to print this folder name here under this Lily Amanda black and white preset volume 1, I don't want to type it out each and every file name. So it's the best way to do is I'm just going to my Launchpad, okay? And you can go ahead get TextEdit. Okay, so here comes, when I open this TextEdit, if you see there is a toolbar on the top, make sure you go to Format and make plain text. Okay, and this is the way. And then you go back to the folder and select all the files you want to have the file name and then drag it on the file. And there you have it. And with the path and the file name. If you don't want to have the path, it's very easy and simple. Just Command F, that's a keyboard shortcut, find. You can just copy here, like user over here until volume 1 here. I'm just going to copy here, find. So it finds it, the root. I'm going to click replace all. That's it, done. So these are the list of the file name here. Okay, and you notice that the subfolder, it doesn't print. If you want to print subfolders, I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to show you the next method. You will need to use terminal. Okay, so I'm going to my Launchpad again and type terminal. There it is, terminal. And then I'm going to type list ls, and then I'm going to drag the folder. Okay, I'm going to see over here, the volume 1 over here. I'm going to drag this folder just over here. And this is space in between. Okay, and I'm just going to hit enter. So this is the list of the files. And I can just select Command C, copy, and Command V, paste. Okay, so this is the same list. Okay, and with terminal, you can have a different type of listing. For example, if I just man is for manual of ls listing, and you'll have a list you can use. These are available. You can use A, B, C, D format, or some. You can see there are a list of all sorts of things you can do. For example, if you see, let's say, L is followed by all symbol link, final target list a file directory, link to rather than, so that's do L. So I'm going to, this is a huge list, you can go through them. I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to add another terminal, new window, basic, and there's a manual over here, commands. Okay, and here I'm going to use list and dash L and space, and I'm going to drag this folder over here and hit enter. And you can see I have more data now about this list. What is the directory, and also when I create it and how big is the file. Okay, you can actually get more data from terminal, and you can go through the list. Like I use dash L, but there are so many you can use. Okay, so this is using terminal. You can just copy it and again paste on here, so you have the file over here. Okay, you can actually ask terminal to generate a text file for you. So this is the command here. So I'm going to use this command. Command is find space and drag the folder. So I'm going to drag this folder over here. Remember, there's a space bar in between and a space bar here, and dash type space F space and this symbol and space, and then you can give a name of the text file. So I'm just going to write a list .txt. Okay, and enter. When you see something like that, that means the file is generated. So where to find the file? It's under your computer here. Okay, my computer is called this, and everyone is different, and you can find the list just right over here. And I'm going to double click to open it. So this is the list of the file. You can just use find to delete the directory if you want to. Okay, so this is the second method. And the third method I'm going to show you is a website. You can download the app print window from this website. I will leave this website in the description so you can find it. You can just download it and install it to your Mac. It's very straightforward and simple. Let me show you how you can work on this one. So this has been updated to match Apple Silicon. Okay, so this is fantastic. And I'm going to show you the app. It has 30-day trial. And after the trial, you will downgrade it to a free version. I'm going to open the app to show you what it looks like. So when you open up, it will look like this print window. It's very straightforward and very simple to use. I much prefer to use this method, to be honest, because you have so many options. Okay, so I'm going to use the folder again. Drop the folder here to begin. And you can also use the external drive. I've used it, which is very, very helpful. So I'm going to type desktop. Okay, I'm going to drag this folder over here. And I can choose to expand 1 level or 2 level, or manually select the folder to expand. So I'm going to click this arrow. I'm just going to expand this folder and expand this one as well. So it will be 2 levels just for these, not other folders. And I'll just close it, and you can go to file information. Okay, you can tick this box or untick them, and you can do the sorting by name or and both folder name or not, or print folders only, icons and headers. And I usually untick it, and you can say a large folder name or not, or print full. You can print directly from your printer or print as a PDF file. Okay, you can also choose the format, text file or Excel. Okay, and that's pay version. Then you can choose which type of file you want to print. And I just print it as PDF file. So I hit print. You can just select your printer, or I would just go to save as a PDF. There. So you can just give it a name. I'm just going to call it listing, and I'm going to save it on my desktop and then save. Okay, and I'm going to my desktop, and you will see there is a folder called listing PDF file, and open it, and that's the list of the file. Okay, it's very, very clean and easy to use, and it's very, very simple. That's why I like this app. It's no way I am sponsored by this app. If you like it, just go ahead, download it. Okay, I've tested for you. It is a very, very good app. Okay, so this is just the tutorial today. I hope you'll find value out of it and able to print the file name however you like. Okay, if you find value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, so I will be creating more helpful tutorials for you. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out any helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.